six Taiwan square wheels for 30. It is servo motor with reducer. Now use is LAC controller, very friendly controller. You can see the screen. It also have door and cabinet different mode. Here let me introduce the control cabinet. This machine uses Yaskawa servo. It is a Japan brand. Inverter use Fulling. It in cabinet use very good parts like cylinder, electricity parts. This machine including vacuum pump and dust collector. We will make marks inside of the control cabinet. You can see the machine total frame. It is a very strong machine. About 2,000 kilo. Finally, we will put dust proof to protect the rack and tier. That's all.